The 2007 Edge thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, airbags, automatic transmission, cruise control, FWD, passenger airbag, power door locks, fog lamps, power windows, trip computer, compass, heated driver's seat, leather seats, speed proportional power steering, tachometer, heated passenger seat, rear wiper, heads-up display, driver memory seats, privacy glass. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.